insurance. All right, well, if you just had a birth of a child in your household, and if you're a single parent, oh my goodness, male and female, single parents, think about this. If you have 2, 3 children, and you're a young parent, and you have young children, and you're a single parent, if something happens to you, who gets your children with no money? Think about that. You're a single parent, you have young kids at home, and if something happens to you, who's going to take care of your kids? I mean, that's your kids are your valuable asset. You love your children. But, life insurance is a gift of love. It's passing on, it's letting your family know that I'm being responsible. I'm taking care of myself so you don't have to take care of me. That's why we purchase life insurance. Okay, we purchase life insurance because life insurance guarantees, that's the one thing that is guaranteed it will pay. Now if you buy the wrong type of life insurance and you outlive that policy, well, that's a different story. But if you buy the right coverages, and I'm gonna offer you the right coverages for your circumstance, but it'll be there when your family needs it, because now your legacy is passed on. When you pass away, you're not leaving a bill behind for your family to pick up, $15,000 to $20,000 bill, and that money has to come up immediately. If a person just got married, you need life insurance. If you have health challenges or health concerns, there is policies out there. Even if you have HIV/AIDS, I can get some life insurance for you. Here's a big one. If you change employment, a lot of times your benefits doesn't follow you from the last job to the next job. So when you change or when you retire, you'll lose a lot of your benefits on your current job. Now, having job life insurance is fine. However, those policies, those job life insurance policies, most of them do not pay right away. They don't pay right away. You need a death certificate. In the state of Nevada, it takes about anywhere to 4 to 6 weeks to receive that death certificate. And then you have to take the death certificate to the HR department or the benefits department, and it takes another probably 3 weeks for the process that information. So your loved one is left on ice for about 8 weeks before the money arrives. Don't put yourself in that position. You single parents out there, or if you just got married, let's look for the future. Let's get some life insurance on our family members. About 6 weeks ago, I had a gentleman on the air, and he owns a funeral home, and he was telling me 2 out of 3 people that walk in the funeral home do not have any means to pay for their loved one's burial. 2 out of 3. Wow. They don't have any means to pay for their loved ones. These people are in business to make money. And the churches, let's talk about the churches. If the churches cannot afford to bury 5 people a month, that's about, on the average cost, that's about $60,000 a month for the churches. That's over $700,000 a year in burials, even if the church is burying 5 people a month. I don't think the churches can afford to do that. You can avoid that happening by just calling me, picking up the phone. This is the Donald Do. 702-236-2624 is my phone number. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. For more information on your life insurance, because I can find a life insurance policy that'll fit your budget, or I can get you the coverages that you need. Now, you may have to take a physical. If you're okay with that, no problem. Now, height, weight, blood will be drawn, or they'll take body fluids from you to determine what the cost of insurance will be for you, or how much you qualify for. Or I can get you instantly qualified for life insurance. Again, for more information, my name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection. My phone number is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. I want to thank my listeners that came by last week and the week before. And thank you for the continued support, because without you, there would be no Your Insurance Connection. I do appreciate your patronage, because it gives me an opportunity to educate you. And a lot of you are surprised on what you didn't know about life insurance, or what you didn't know about your auto insurance policy, how you can save money. Because what I like to do is combine that home and auto to offset the cost of life insurance for you. So to offset that cost of life insurance, because that life insurance, that's another bill you may have that's you thought you probably couldn't afford. By saving you money on your homeowners and your auto insurance, now you can afford that life insurance. Okay, now you can afford that life insurance. So it's not that hard to do. Just only thing you have to do is pick up the phone and give me a call at 702 236 2624, 702 236 2624. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho. Okay, I'm right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho. I'm in the U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I do work by appointment only, so you do have to give me a call. Again, that number is 702 236 2624. And again, I'm located right across the street from the Palace Station Hotel and Casino on the corner of Rancho, Sahara, in the U.S. Bank building. Do give me a call, and we can get you set up with some auto insurance, life insurance, and save you some money. You know, we're going into the school is starting back, and the kids are being added on to your auto insurance policy, and you're seeing this additional money that's coming out of your pocket. You know, let's look at, and you may say, hey, I've been with farm for one of those farms for 20 years, and okay, I understand that, but you know, maybe that farm company is not offering you the best rate possible. Okay, maybe they're not offering you the best rate possible. I can offer you a better rate probably, but the only way it's going to happen is you give me a call, and we can look into saving you money to offset some of that cost, adding that young driver on your auto insurance policy. Now, in the state of Nevada, it's very difficult to exclude a driver if they have a driver's license in your household. I just want to say that because sometimes a driver will get added onto your auto insurance policy that shouldn't be added on your auto insurance policy. I can weave and sift through that. As long as this person had other insurance with another company. For an example, if a person that lived in your household at one time or another, and they no longer live in your household, but you look at your auto insurance policy and you wonder why it's so much. Sometimes that person that lived in your household with that driver's license, you may be charged for that person on your auto insurance policy. I've seen that a lot. Okay, you could have a daughter or a son or even a family member that lived in the household that is listed on your auto insurance policy, and you're paying for that person, and they've been long gone out of your household. Okay, and that takes a real insurance agent to eliminate that person off the policy. Okay, and I've seen it far too many times where you have family members added on to an auto insurance policy, and unfortunately, the people just pay the premium. They don't know any better. They just thought their auto insurance policy went up because auto insurance is very expensive here in Southern Nevada. You know, we're one of the highest insurance for auto insurance in the country. We're like the 5th highest for auto insurance in the country. Okay. Again, for more information, my name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection. You know the information. Now you know, pass it on. Now, if you can't use my services, tell someone else about it. You know, you know what, I'm good, but you know, give him a call because he probably can help you. If you're just moving to Vegas and you all of a sudden you get an insurance sticker shock, well, it is what it is. I mean, but you know, I can shop for you. I can shop for you. Okay, I can shop. I have multiple companies I can shop for your auto insurance. I have multiple companies I can shop for your homeowner's insurance. I have multiple companies I can shop for your life insurance. All you got to do is pick up the phone and give me a call at 702 236 2624, 702 236 2624. You know, again, you know what? It's some valuable information I learned yesterday. I just want to share it with our listeners. And a lot of seniors have done these reverse mortgages. I just want to put it out there. And what I found out yesterday, I just want to share with you, listeners, that the reverse mortgage, you won't have a house payment, okay? But what I found out yesterday, you won't have an escrow account. In other words, what that means is you will still be responsible for your homeowner's insurance and your taxes. Okay? Do not think because you got a reverse mortgage. Now, in most cases, this is what I've heard now. In most cases, they do not carry an escrow account. So if you're looking to do a reverse mortgage, all right? If you're looking to do a reverse mortgage, if you've already done a reverse mortgage, that insurance must be paid. The homeowner's insurance must be paid because the reverse mortgage company want to protect their investment. The money they give you, you must carry homeowner's insurance. They're not going to pay it like traditionally they would pay it. The mortgage company would pay it out of your escrow account because according to what I learned yesterday, these reverse mortgages do not carry escrow accounts. So you have to pay your taxes in it and your homeowner's insurance. Again, for more information, my name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection. I'm here every Tuesday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, giving you valuable information on how to save money on your homeowners, your auto insurance, and yes, get you some life insurance. Tune in the next week with me from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. And if any questions or concerns, you can always give me a call at 702-236-2624. Again, my phone number is 702-236-2624. Make an appointment. My location is 2300 West Sahara. I'm right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the U.S. Bank building. It's the first building right up there on the corner. I'm right across from Landry's and also I'm right across the street from Landry's and also Macaroni Grill. So come by. We can sit down and talk about your insurance matters, your insurance needs, and when you come to me, be ready because I'm ready. I'm ready for you. I'm ready to do business with you, and let's get it done. We're going into September, and a lot of you have called me and said, I've been listening to you on the air for a long time, but I'm just not calling you. Yeah, but that's good. I appreciate that too. But let's get it done. 702-236-2624 is my number. 702-236-2624. And until next time, you guys just keep it crispy.